Yeah, guys.
Hi guys.
And you're not talking about the laptop, the fridge, the blanket. No. Hi guys. I feel like you guys are so far, but I don't want to show my makeup and I don't know if I should stand on her. I don't know. But for now, this is the best that I can do. Oh, sorry. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy. And today I am going to the mall to buy a bunch of stuff. So basically, this is the list of everything that I need. And the budget is quite tight because I need to get a laptop and a fridge. But yeah, I'm about to leave. This is my chemistry card. I'm about to leave now. I think the time is like 11:30 or something like that. Yeah, let's go.
Hi guys.
And you're not talking about
It's
No, it's only 25 seconds. Okay, then take my phone. Ningakhali singoma because ngizoba ne-copyright. Don't play music because I'll have a copyright. I hope I just put some 10,000. Okay guys, so we got back from the mall and I want to show you guys what I got. And I don't know if you want to know the prices, but also much just say. So this is the first thing I got. A water bottle, and it was and then I also got some milk. This is a restock before I go hungry because money is low. And then I got washing powder. because we have a sleepover pretty soon and I need my stuff washed. And then I got bread. The plain yogurt in the fridge in lunch. I got plain yogurt for breakfast. And then I got 2 packets of noodles. Don't look at me. And then I got, I'm with people. I got sunscreen that I thought wasn't good until I used it from somebody. Then I got a Duke. What is it called in English? I got a lady's scarf. Oh. Then I got hair stuff. And then 2 packets of snacks. I also got muesli. I've never tried this before, so I don't know how it tastes, but I'll get back to you guys. Then I got my favorite biscuits. Then I also got 2 books, like exam pads. And then for the big reveal, that is all I need.
No, you're blanking.
I got a blanket that I've been wanting for the longest time. It's gonna match my bedding, I hope.
I was gonna do psychology and stuff.
And then, big girl, I got a laptop. Education Kaylee's are up. But nonetheless, I did take you guys with me to the mall, so you guys will see the clips and yeah. The laptop, the fridge, the blanket, under my name. The sheep seat, the 6-pack. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we are gonna do the unboxing. Okay, of the laptop. Oh, answer my sweetheart. Oh, Ningsha, I'm a different pop.
These are the extents that people go through for your content.
Content. Yo, I say sealed. This is what it looks like inside. And then, guys, it is so sealed. What if I drop it off? They say cute. It comes with this. I'm guessing, oh, it's the warranty card. And yeah. And then commotion for the baby. She's so small.
Then I'm a big arm.
Oh, sweet.
So I.
Rodney. Yeah, Kamala gorge.
Beautiful. I like it.
Cute. And it's lightweight. Yeah. And then, what else is in the
Can
box?
you touch it? Is it touch screen?
I don't know.
Just check.
Touch screen how? Like,
You get
your laptop, you can't buy touch screen.
Yeah. The one my dad has.
Is yours touch screen?
No.
And then I think this is the charger. I'm not sure. I think. Yeah.
You. Look how far you've come. You faced your trauma and you came out on the other side. And I'm sorry to get a little emotional, but there were some times there. But I was really worried about you, Miss Girl. Look at you today. I am so proud of you. You survived, baby. You're a survivor.
Oh, so can come here. This is mine. It does not do what it's supposed to do.
Ooh, but it is quite.
Oh, I'm going to pick up my finger.
See, I guess I'm yours. I think I'm in.
Oh, thank you.
Are you?
Can you taste my chips in? Hi guys. Hi. I just got back from classes. It's a Friday and I'm tired. It's like 10 to 3 I think. And I got my fridge. It got delivered today around 1 on the dot. And I will try to unbox it with you guys, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to, but I will try. So here goes my ring.
Okay, ladies. So together we're going to read from tonight. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Tonight, beneath this sacred sisterhood, I rise as a liberty lady. I vow to uphold integrity, to choose what is right even when it is difficult. I vow to live by Ubuntu, because I am, since we are. My growth is tied to my sisters. I vow to practice discipline in my habits, my words, my time, and my conduct. I vow to pursue academic excellence, not only for success, but for purpose. I vow to show respect to myself, my sisters, my residents, and my legacy. I will carry myself with stature. I will walk in honor. I will embody dignity. I understand that being a liberty lady is not about perfection, but about character, accountability, and trust. I choose to uplift and never diminish, to build and never break, to lead with grace and courage. As a flower in this museum of growth, I bloom with intention, I bloom with resilience, I bloom with pride, and in every space I enter, I will remember our truth.